Hello friends, welcome to GK Bit Bank channel. Today we are going to discuss important questions from the chapter Sangam period, including with top 30 previous years questions. Let's begin the first question. Which of the following dynasty is not mentioned in Sangam literature? Option A Kadam, option B Chera, option C Chola, option D Pandya. Correct answer is option A Kadam. The Sangam literature is the literature of the ancient Tamil spanning from 300 BCE to 300 CE. The Sangam literature consists of 2381 poems in the Tamil language. Kadamba dynasty has not been mentioned in the Sangam literature. Next question. Which of the following was not ruling dynasty of the Tamil country during the Sangam age? Option A Chera, option B Chola, option C Pallava, option D Pandya. Correct answer is option C Pallava. The Chera, Chola and the Pandya dynasties were the three prominent ruling kingdoms of the Tamil country during the Sangam age, collectively known as the Muventar. Next question. The sage who is said to have Aryanist South India. Option A Vishwamitra, option B Agastya, option C Vashishta, option D Sambara. Correct answer is option B Agastya. He is a prominent figure in Hindu mythology and is said to have founded the first Tamil grammar called Agatyam. Legends state he crossed the Vindhya mountains to bring Vedic traditions to the south, influencing groups like the Yadavas. Next question. Third Sangam was held at option A Arikamedu, option B Ernakulam, option C Madurai, option D Tuticorin. Correct answer is option C Madurai. The third Sangam was held in the city of Madurai under the patronage of the Pandya kings. Poets and works. Nakirar was the chairman of the third Sangam, which produced a significant amount of Tamil literature, through only parts of it have arrived. Next question. The Sangams flourished at different places. Which of the following places were associated with the three Sangams? Option A Madurai and Kapatapuram, option B Madurai, Kapatapuram and Kaveri Pattanam, option C Maduram, Urayyur and Cholamandalam, option D Puhar and Madurai. Correct answer is option A Madurai and Kapatapuram. According to Tamil legends and historical sources, the three Sangams were held at specific locations, all under the patronage of the Pandyan kings. Next question. Religious anthology Kural composed in which language? Option A Greek, option B Tamil, option C Telugu, option D Pali. Correct answer is option B Tamil. The religious anthology Kural was composed in Tamil. The text, also known as Tirukkural, is a classic Tamil work consisting of 1330 short couplets attributed to the poet Valluvar. Next question. Which of the following poets of the Sangam age has referred to a Mauryan expedition against a Tamil chieftains? Option A Paramar, option B Avayyar, option C Ilango Adigal, option D Mamulanar. Correct answer is option D Mamulanar. The Sangam poet Mamulanar is the one who has referred to a Mauryan expedition against a Tamil chieftain in his poems. He mentioned the Mauryan army with their allies, the Kosars, advancing as far south as the Podil hill in the Tirunelveli and Madurai district, which was the limit of their invasion in the south. Next question. In Sangam literature, Tolkapiyam is a text of option A Tamil poetry, option B Tamil grammar, option C Tamil architecture, option D Tamil polity. Correct answer is option B Tamil grammar. In Sangam literature, Tolkapiyam is a text of Tamil grammar. It is considered the oldest surviving work on Tamil grammar, linguistics and poetics, and is also provides insights to the social and political aspects of the time. Next question. Which river is praised in the 5th century Tamil epic Silapadikaram? Option A Kaveri, option B Godavari, option C Saraswati, option D Ganges. Correct answer is option A Kaveri. The 5th century Tamil epic Silapadikaram, composed by Ilango Adigal, praises the Kaveri river. The epic is set in the ancient Tamil kingdoms, and the Kaveri river is central to the geography and culture described in the story, symbolizing prosperity and fertility. Next question. The author of the Silapadikaram was option A Ilango, option B Parmara, option C Karaikala, option D Vishnuswamy. Correct answer is Ilango. Silapadikaram is a literary work in Tamil. It is held in high regard by the Tamil people. It is written by Ilango Adigal. He was a prince. Next question. The epic Silappatikaram refers to option A story of Rama, option B Jaina elements in storyline, option C culture of Sri Lankan Buddhist, option D cult of Shakti worship. Correct answer is option B Jaina elements in storyline. As a literary work, Silappatikaram is held in high regards by the Tamil people. It is written by poet Prince from Ilango Adigal. Next question. Manimekalai epic is related to option A Buddhism, option B Jainism, option C Shaivism, option D Vaishnavism. Correct answer is option A Buddhism. The glorious book Shilpadikaram and Manimekalai are related to Buddhism. It is a Tamil poem which tells about the history and Tamil Nadu and Buddhism, influence of Buddhism among Tamils in Tamil Nadu. Next question. Which of the following is or not epic of Sangam period? Statement 1 Silapadikaram, Statement 2 Manimekalai, Statement 3 Amukta Malyada, Statement 4 Valayapati, Statement 5 Sivaka Sintamani. Quotes. Option A 1, 2, 3, 5. Option B 2, 3 and 5. Option C 1, 3 and 5. Option D 1, 2, 4 and 5. Correct answer is option C 1, 3 and 5. Next question. Match item of list 1 with those of list 2 and select your correct answers from the code given below in the list. List 1. Option A Tirukural. Option B Tolkapiyam. Option C Silapadikaram. Option D Manimekalai. List 2. 1. Love story. 2. Philosophy. 3. Merchant story. 4. Grammar. Codes. Option A 1, 2, 3, 4. Option B 2, 3, 4, 1. Option C 4, 2, 3, 1. Option D 2, 4, 1, 3. Correct answer is option D 2, 4, 1, 3. Next question. Where was the capital of Sangam period Chola located? Option A Kaveri Pattanam. Option B Madurai. Option C Urayur. Option D Cochin. Correct answer is option C Urayur. The capital of the Sangam period Chola kingdom was Urayur, located near modern day Tiruchirappalli. While Kaveri Pattanam was a significant port city and an alternative royal residence, Urayur was the primary capital during the early Chola period. Next question. The protracted civil war between two Cholas, chieftains Nalankini and Nidunkili, were mentioned by which poet? Option A Kamban. Option B Kuttan. Option C Nanne. Option D Kovur Kilar. Correct answer is option D Kovur Kilar. The protracted civil war between the two Cholas, chieftains Nalankili and Nedunkili, who belonged to rival branches of the Chola family, was mentioned by the Sangam poet Kovur Kilar. Next question. Paripadal mentions a Chera king renowned musician. He was option A Cheraman Urmupoyar, option B Kilivalvan, option C Udiyangaral, option D Attanatti. Correct answer is option C Udiyangaral. The Chera king mentioned in the Sangam literature text Paripadal as a renowned musician was Udiyangaral. Next question. Which of the following were parts of the Chera kingdom? Statement 1 Korkai. Statement 2 Musiri. Statement 3 Uhar. Statement 4 Saliyur. Statement 5 Tondi. Select the correct answers using the codes given below. Option A 1, 2 and 4. Option B 2 and 5. Option C 2, 3 and 4. Option D 3, 4 and 5. Correct answer is option B 2 and 5. Musiri and Tondi were the important ports and parts of the ancient Chera kingdom. The Chera kingdom also had its capital at Vanji, often identified with Karur or Tiruvanchaikalam. Next question. In which of the following battles the greatest Pandya ruler Nidunjelian defeated combined armies of Cholas and Cheras? Option A Battle of Talikota. Option B Battle of Madurai. Option C Battle of Talayalanganam. Option D none of the above. Correct answer is option C Battle of Talayalanganam. Nedunchelian, the greatest Pandya ruler of the early Sangam period, defeated a confederacy that included the Cheras, the Cholas, and 5 other minor kings in the famous Battle of Talayalanganam. Next question. According to Sangam text, the terms corn, Ko and Mannan were attributed to which of the following? Option A, Prime Minister. Option B, Revenue Minister. Option C, Commander of the Army. Option D, King. Correct answer is option D, King. According to Sangam text, the terms Kon, Ko and Mannan were attributed to the king. Other titles used for the king included Vendan, Kotravan and Iraivan. Next question. Which of the following documents gives evidence of the temple of Augustus at Muziris in South India? Option A, Periplus of the Itherian Sea. Option B, Nearchus. Option C, Genealogical Table. Option D, Sangam Literature. Correct answer is option A, Periplus of the Itherian Sea. The existence of a temple dedicated to Augustus at Muziris is mentioned in the Greco-Roman document Periplus of the Itherian Sea. Next question. The early Tamil anthologies mentioned terms such as Pahri, Otam, Tamil and Patogu. These were used for option A, boats. Option B, types of market. Option C, merchandise exported. Option D, merchandise imported. Correct answer is option A, boats. The terms Pahri, Otam and Patagu are mentioned in early Tamil anthologies and literature as different types of watercraft and sea-going vessels used for transport and fishing in ancient Tamilagam. Next question. From the excavations of which ancient site information has been gathered regarding brisk trade relations between India and Rome during the early centuries of Christian era? Option A, Madurai. Option B, Tamralipti. Option C, Tondi. Option D, Arikamedu. Correct answer is option D, Arikamedu. Excavations of Arikamedu have provided significant evidence of brisk trade relations between India and Rome during the early centuries of the Christian era, including Roman artifacts like amphora and pottery. Next question. The Roman settlement has been found in option A, Kalibangan. Option B, Arikamedu. Option C, Rangpur. Option D, Satara. Correct answer is option B, Arikamedu. Arikamedu is a significant archaeological site near Puducherry, India, known for its extensive evidence of a Roman settlement and robust maritime trade with the Roman Empire between the 1st century BCE and the 2nd century CE. Next question. Amphora jar is a option A, perforated jar. Option B, tall double handle jar. Option C, painted grey jar. Option D, black and red ware jar. Correct answer is option B, tall double handle jar. An amphora jar is a tall double handled jar used for storing and transporting liquids like wine or oil. It is characterized by its distinctive oval body and long neck with handles on either side. Next question. Match the following. List 1 port, list 2 location. A, Bari Gaza, Malabar coast. B, Muziris, Mumbai coast. C, Sopara, the eastern coast of India. D, Suvarnabhum, north of Narmada river. Codes. Option A, 4213. Option B, 1342. Option C, 3142. Option D, 4123. Correct answer is option D, 4123. Thank you friends. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to GK Bit Bank channel.